Hello everyone, welcome to our next class. In this class, we will see introduction of LWF, means Labor Welfare Fund. So our object and focus area, what is Labor Welfare Fund, applicability of Labor Welfare Fund, and list of states with the Labor Welfare Fund. So what is Labor Welfare Fund? WF is a scheme which ensures that social security to provide social security to the employees. It is introduced by the Industrial Dispute Act 9 of 1947. LWF main motive to improve labor working condition and their standard of living. In LWF, it provides medical care, housing, education, nutrition, foods to the eligibility employees and their dependents. For LWF, there's some specified state which provide the LWF scheme. LWF, it is a administered by the respective state government authority, and the deduction cycle of LWF is in some states will be monthly, half yearly, or early. It depends on each state regulations. And in LWF, both employee and employers both have to contribute in the LWF scheme. The contribution rate is also defined by the respective state. Applicability of an LWF. So LWF does not apply all categories of worker who is working in established. It is applicable depending on the respective state, which is mentioned in LWF Fund Act. It is applicable based on the number of employees, workers, their designation, and wages earned. Generally, LWF is applied for the factory workers who has earning a specified wages, but it also applicable for the establishment who cover under the Shop and Establishment Act, Transport Service Establishment, plantation workers, or society, etc. So LWF is not applicable for all the state. So there is a list of the states where the LWF applicable. So there's Andhra Pradesh, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Goa, Diu and Daman, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and West Bengal is applicable for this LWF fund. Do you have any question or doubt regarding this? You can drop us a mail at info@skillanything.com or in this number. I hope you have understand this topic, introduction of LWF. Thank you so much for watching this video.